Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of simple equation. This is fourth question of its exercise 4.3. So the question says that A. Construct three equations starting with x equal to 2. So x equal to 2. So हमें three equations construct करनी है जिसकी starting हो x equal to 2. So first हो जाएगी हमारी, firstly apply करेंगे ऑपरेशन multiply 6 both side हो जाएगा 6 into x is equal to 2 into 6, so हो जाएगा 6x is equal to 12. हो जाएगी equation 1. Then x is equal to 2, divide 2 both side, हो जाएगा x by 2 is equal to 2 by 2, so x by 2 is equal to 1. So हो जाएगा हमारी equation 2. Then x is equal to 2, subtracting 4 from both side, x minus 4, 2 minus 4. x minus 4 is equal to 2 minus 4. So 2 minus 4 जगह पास minus 2. So ये पास equation 3. Then next part B. Construct three equations starting with x equal to minus 2. सेम हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे बोथ साइड. मल्टीप्लाई 5 बोथ साइड, 5 into x is equal to minus 2 into 5. So हो जाएगा 5x is equal to minus 10, equation 1. Then divide 2 both side, x by 2 is equal to minus 2 by 2. हो जाएगा x by 2, 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, so minus 1. Then x equal to minus 2, subtracting 6 from both side, so x minus 6 is equal to minus 2 minus 6, so x minus 6 is equal to minus 8. So ये हो जाएगी आपके पास इक्वेशन सेकंड, हो जाएगी इक्वेशन थर्ड. So construct three equations starting with this and three equations starting with x equal to minus 2. So ये three equations हो जाएंगे हमारे पास x equal to 2 के थ्रू, and ये three equations हो जाएंगी x equal to minus 2 के थ्रू. Thank you.